I asked Claude Code to add authentication to my app. It generated 2,000 lines of code I didn't need, broke 3 existing features, and cost me $47 in API calls. The fix? A 15-line spec that took 2 minutes to write. This is the workflow that makes Claude Code actually listen. Here's what a spec actually looks like. 5 sections. That's it. First, the outcome. 1 sentence describing what the user can do when you're done. Second, the scope. What's in and, more importantly, what's out. This is where you save thousands of tokens. Third, the stack. Name every library, framework, and database explicitly. No guessing. Fourth, constraints. Existing tables, naming conventions, files it must not touch. And fifth, verify. The exact command Claude should run to prove it worked. When you hand Claude Code a spec like this, it stops hallucinating. It stops gold plating. It builds exactly what you asked for. Let me show you this in action. I paste the spec into Claude Code. Watch what happens. It reads the outcome. It reads the scope. Email and password only, no social auth, no MFA, no role-based access control. It checks the stack. Next auth v5, existing Postgres. It respects the constraints. Uses the existing user table instead of creating a new one. 4 files. 127 lines. 0 errors. Test pass on the first run. Same task, same AI. Completely different result. The only thing that changed was the input. Once you master basic specs, there are 3 power moves that change everything. First, chained specs. Break a large feature into 3 or 4 sequential specs. Each one builds on the last. Authentication, then authorization, then audit logging. Small, focused, verifiable. Second, negative constraints. Tell Claude what not to do. Do not install new dependencies. Do not modify the database schema. Do not create new API routes. These 3 lines alone will save you hours of cleanup. Third, the verification loop. End every spec with a specific test command. When Claude runs it and sees green, you know it's done. When it sees red, it fixes itself. No back and forth, no babysitting. Here's the bottom line. Every senior developer I know who uses Claude Code effectively has one thing in common. They write specs, not prompts. Specs. 2 minutes of planning saves 2 hours of debugging. If this changed how you think about AI coding, subscribe. I'm building an entire series on advanced Claude Code workflows. Drop a comment with the feature you want to spec next. I'll build it live in the next video.